Apple cider vinegar is a popular healthy drink. It helps in reducing weight, regulating blood pressure, and it also improves digestion. It contains vinegar, water, and nutrients like vitamin B and C. Vinegar is a colorless liquid. Talking about its chemical nature, it is an aqueous solution of ethanoic acid. Usually, it contains 5 to 8% of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is a commercially important carboxylic acid. The common name of ethanoic acid is acetic acid. Its chemical formula is CH3COOH. It has carboxyl functional group. We can also say that it is an example of carboxylic acid. The structural formula and molecular model of ethanoic acid can be shown as follows. Like any other chemical compound, ethanoic acid also possesses certain physical and chemical properties. Some of the important physical properties of ethanoic acid are listed here. Pure ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid. Have you ever noticed the pungent smell of vinegar coming out from vinegar bottle? Its pungent odor is due to the presence of acetic acid. The boiling and melting points of ethanoic acid are 118 and 17 degrees Celsius respectively. When pure acetic acid is cooled, it freezes to form a colorless ice-like solid. This solid resembles a glacier. Therefore, pure acetic acid is also called a glacial acetic acid. Talking about the solubility of acetic acid, it is completely miscible in water, alcohol, and ether in all proportions. That was all about the physical properties of ethanoic acid. The chemical properties of ethanoic acid involve its acidic nature and reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates, an esterification reaction. It's time to learn about the acidic nature of ethanoic acid by using litmus paper. Can you predict the change in color when blue and red litmus papers are dipped in it? As you can see, blue litmus paper strip turns red, while the red litmus paper strip remains unaffected. It confirms that ethanoic acid is acidic in nature. Acidic nature of ethanoic acid can also be verified by its reaction with a base. Like any other acid, when it reacts with a base, corresponding salt and water are produced. For example, when ethanoic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide, a salt named as sodium ethanoate and water are produced. Let us understand the next important chemical reaction shown by ethanoic acid with the help of an activity. For this, take approximately 1 gram sodium carbonate in a test tube and add ethanoic acid to it through the Thistle funnel. You will observe that the bubbles of a gas are evolved. On passing this gas into lime water, which is calcium hydroxide, lime water turns milky. It shows that the evolved gas is carbon dioxide. So, we can conclude that ethanoic acid, which is a carboxylic acid, reacts with sodium carbonate to liberate carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. The milky color of lime water is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Similarly, sodium hydrogen carbonate also liberates carbon dioxide gas with carboxylic acid, including acetic acid. This reaction is also used to test for the presence of carboxylic acid in the unknown sample of organic compound. Ethanoic acid also shows esterification reaction. Let us understand it with the help of an activity. For this, take some ethanol in a test tube and add some ethanoic acid into it. Add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid in this mixture, which is a catalyst. Now, warm the contents of the test tube in a hot water bath for few minutes. Notice the fruity smell of the ester formed during the reaction. The reaction of any carboxylic acid with an alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form an ester is known as esterification. The equation for the reaction between ethanoic acid, which is a carboxylic acid, and ethanol to form ethyl ethanoate is as follows. since a characteristic fruity smell is produced during this reaction. This reaction is used to test for alcohols as well as carboxylic acids. Esters produced in the esterification reaction are used in the preparation of soaps. Now we will discuss some of the important uses of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is an important condiment and ingredient of food. It is used as a food preservative in pickles and as a dressing in many salads. It is widely used in Chinese cuisine. Esters formed from ethanoic acid are used for making perfumes and soaps and as flavoring agents in ice creams, cakes, etc. Ethanoic acid is an important chemical reagent in various industries for making number of chemical compounds.